You're leaving money on the table if you don't negotiate. Here's exactly what to say. Word for word. Welcome to Money Made Simple. Most people never ask for more, and that's exactly why employers expect you to. Negotiating isn't rude, it's normal. Companies build room into their offers because they anticipate the conversation. And if you skip it, you're skipping money that was already set aside for you. Before you say anything, do 3 things. First, research your market value. Check Glassdoor, LinkedIn, or PayScale to see what people in your role and location actually earn. Second, know your worth, list your skills, experience, and the specific contributions you bring. This isn't bragging, it's preparation. Third, pick one specific number, not a range. A range gives them permission to land on the lowest end. A specific number sounds confident and intentional. Here's exactly what to say. If you're asking for a raise, say this. Based on my research and contributions, I believe specific amount is fair. Can we make that work? If you just received a job offer, say this. Thank you for the offer. I'm excited about the role, but based on market rates, I was expecting something closer to specific amount. Notice what's missing. No mention of rent, bills, or personal needs. Keep the focus entirely on your value, not your expenses. Value is persuasive. Need is not. If they can't move on salary, don't just accept defeat. Ask about non-salary benefits, extra vacation days, flexible hours, or remote work options. There's often more room here than people realize. Your challenge? Practice this script out loud this week. Say it until it feels natural, because the version of you who's prepared is the version who gets paid more. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.